Amsavalli.
Welcome to GRT Grand Madurai.
Pre-birthday, pre-anniversary trip.
Pillow menu.
Pathetic, very bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Say hi.
Hi.
Meet my chauffeur for this trip.
Chauffeur. She is my shorter.
So we are going on a 1 week trip and we have started from Chennai in the morning. The time now is 8 o'clock, 8:02 to be precise, and we started around 5:30, 5:45 la?
5:45.
5:45 we've started from home and currently we are almost near Veluppuram. But where are we going? The first stop is Chennai to Madurai, and we are actually going to Munnar, and we're taking a break today. Where exactly in Munnar, that is a surprise. You'll have to watch the next vlogs for that. So first stop Madurai, because the travel time from Chennai to Munnar is about how much? 10 hours, huh? 10 to 11 hours. Like if you take stops, lunch, breakfast, all of this, it's a long journey, 10 to 12 hours. So we thought of taking a break in Madurai and staying there for a day and then proceeding towards Munnar the next day. So we are now heading to Madurai. We'll halt there tonight. We don't have much plans in Madurai. We are just there eating.
Yes.
We have planned to cover a couple of food spots, but let's see how the plan goes. So we should be reaching Madurai by around 1 o'clock, I think, 12:30 or 1. We have to stop for breakfast now. It's 8 o'clock and we are hungry. Probably there's an Adyar Ananda Bhavan that I saw near Viluppuram. There are a couple of nice restaurants on the way. We saw one restaurant called Urvashi. It looked really nice and huge, but we were not hungry then, so we skipped that. And there are, what was that? 99 something?
Yeah, 98.
99 kilometer coffee. There's
That's a big restaurant.
big restaurant, and they had a lot of franchises. Like I think like 2-3 kilometers there was one shop. Adenna area?
Near
Dindivanam. Near Dindivanam there are a lot of this, and there's Arya's. All of these restaurants you can find. So if you want to have breakfast on the way, then I think you can stop at any one of that. So Madurai from here right now is 305 kilometers. We are 305 kilometers away. One more thing is, this is like a pre-birthday, pre-anniversary trip. So this is the first time we are going for a 1 week trip actually. Otherwise it's usually Bangalore. We go there, stay at home, we go for one night, like a stay or something like that. But this is the longest that we are going after the wedding, like a kutti honeymoon this is. So let's see how the trip goes. I'm so excited to show you all where we are going and what all we're going to be doing there. So stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you've already subscribed. If not, go now and subscribe right away, guys. So I think we'll stop for breakfast now, and I'll see you there. Bye bye. We just stopped for breakfast, and it was pathetic, very bad. Amrita's. So we stopped at this place called Amrita's, and it was very, very bad. It was 11 by the time we reached, but the breakfast was over. We only had dosa available, but it was too pathetic, guys. Please do not stop by there. The washrooms were also very unhygienic. Definitely wouldn't recommend that place. The best decision would be to have breakfast somewhere near Dindivanam in the spots that we have mentioned earlier. It would be a great choice. Don't make the mistake that we made. We'll see you at lunch. I hope I have a different opinion on Madurai's food. I should have. So see you there. Bye bye. We finally reached Madurai and we stopped at the spot called Amsavalli for lunch. It's a decent spot, but they mostly had only mutton dishes, so I personally did not like it. Post lunch, we headed to our stay in Madurai. We are staying at the GRT by Grand Madurai, and this is the hotel. It's about I think 10 kilometers from the airport, and I think 20 minutes from the city center, from the temple. So here we are at our first day of this trip, GRT.
Hi guys, welcome to GRT Grand Madurai. So we've just reached our hotel. We had our lunch in Amsavalli. I did not like it so much because I'm not a mutton lover, but Amal loved it. So you guys should definitely check out Amsavalli. It's very nice, especially non-veg lovers. Maybe 3 out of 5 for me, 5 out of 5 for Amal. So this is our room. We have checked into Grand Madurai by GRT, and this is our temple tower room. This is a temple tower room, and both of us are staying here. So this is the, as you enter, we have bathroom and this. So this is the bed, our king size bed, and then we have a sofa to just relax, and here we have 2 chairs. One more thing, I don't know, it's very interesting. What I found here was, so here they have something called the pillow menu. The pillow menu, I'm seeing it for the first time here. So what is this? So this means that you can select your perfect pillow from the menu overleaf. So if you see, they have listed down a couple of pillows here. So you can see aloe vera pillow, down pillow, tencel pillow, bacteria featherlight pillow, ortholite pillow, pregnancy pillow. So first time I'm seeing this in some hotel. So this is very cool. You can choose your pillow according to what you need. Then we have a note which we can find in any hotel. Next up, so this is the workspace. You can sit and work here. They also have what is this? So these are QR codes where you can scan the menu or the spa and all of that. They've listed it down here. So you come this side. Follow me. Hello, videographer. Follow me. Yeah. So we have the TV to chill. So they welcomed us with a welcome drink and the tulsi mala. So it's very cool. We had a similar experience in Intercontinental also. They welcome you very nicely, and I don't know what this is. So they have a TV operation guide, this, and numbers which you can call in terms of emergencies. I think this opens to another room.
Yeah.
So it's like an interconnection. If you're coming as a family, and if you're staying as one couple and family, kids and all, you can just open this and you all can chill together. So this is that, and obviously the snack area and all of this is chargeable though. Don't eat. This is not included. You need to look at the charges. 1 Coke 100 rupees. Peanut chikki 125. Oh my god. Then we have Kara Bundi 125. Okay, we're not going to touch any of this except for my favorite. I'm going to steal these. Ting ting ting. My favorite. Wherever I go, all the hotels, I end up eating the sweetener. Milk powder, very good. So here we have the baggage space. Don't show the space, it's all cluttered. And we have the cupboard. So this is the entrance. We have the cupboard. We have a bathrobe, and we have a bathrobe. Then we have a locker, and all this, the usual stuff. And we also have a iron board here, especially for lazy bums like me who just pack the bag without ironing any of the clothes. This is very helpful. And ta-da, let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Obviously the commode, and come here. We have the space. This is the space, and I hate the fact that these people have this attached lotion and this, otherwise we could have stolen it easily. Nowadays they keep these attached things, we're not able to steal anything. But nevertheless, we have combs, dental kit, shaving kit, all of this which is going into my bag. And this is the bath area. Okay. This is the bathroom. This is the bath area. It's quite, it's very nice for 2 people. The entire room, I think 2 people aram se you can stay. And yes, that's it. Main part. Let's go to the main part. Follow me. The view from the room. Are you ready, guys? Let's go! Look at this! Wow! This is the view from our room. This was supposed to be the Grand Club Temple Tower room. But I can't see a temple tower anywhere. Can you see? If you guys can spot a temple tower, please let us know. Maybe
we have an empty land to construct a temple.
Yeah, you guys just have an empty land. But okay, the view is nice with coconut trees and all of that. We are happy with this view. Instead of seeing any other view, this is comparatively better than that. So yes. Huh? Hey, this is recording. So that's it. This is our quick room tour. Coming to the price, I think this room is about 13,000 plus 2,000 taxes, the rate. So yeah, inclusive of breakfast. And since it's a temple tower room, they also give you free lounge access and limited timings, and then you can use the spa. I think 1 person complimentary spa, foot spa for 15 minutes or some spa for 15 minutes, we're not sure. We'll have to check it out tomorrow. And you have a yoga space, you have a gym, you have a lounge, all of this, and breakfast is included definitely. So apparently the breakfast is very nice. So let's see, tomorrow morning we're gonna go and have, obviously. And that's it. So this was a quick room tour of our stay in Madurai. We're gonna go sleep now. We're very tired. We just had a bath and we're gonna go sleep. Maybe in the evening we'll head out to the restaurant or for dinner, because afternoon we already ate outside. Night maybe we'll go to the restaurant in the hotel. So yes, we're gonna go have a quick nap and we'll see you on the other side.
We had a quick nap, got ready and headed towards the lounge where we had our complimentary high tea. This is the lobby area. The high tea was at the club lounge. So this is the lounge area. The high tea spread was pretty good too. While I enjoyed some time here, Amal went and enjoyed his complimentary spa service, foot massage. For the night, we just ordered in some food, and this is the next day morning. We are headed for breakfast now. There are a lot of restaurants which deliver, food to your hotel or wherever you're staying. So we didn't have the energy to go out again in the night. Even though our plan was to figure out and try some of the new food spots, we couldn't fit that in our plan. We needed some rest before our main trip. Since it was Pongal, the entire hotel was very beautifully decorated and they had this cute little card thing. And if you notice, both of us got the same cards with the same notes on it. This is the entire dining area. This is the breakfast spread. Let me show you guys. The breakfast was included in our room package, so we definitely had to try it and not miss it. The breakfast was really, really great. I think the timings are till 10:30 or 10 o'clock in the morning. It's a huge dining space with beautiful decor, and the ambience itself is very nice. The service also is very commendable. We quickly finished our breakfast and headed towards, just checking out the property. First, we went to the gym. They have a fully equipped gym space, a yoga space. If you guys are interested in some morning yoga, then there is a yoga space as well. So here we are. Amal is running to check the gym space. It's huge. This was like 10 o'clock in the morning, I think 10:30 after breakfast, so it was empty. and it was Pongal as well. So this is a yoga studio right opposite to that. And after this we headed to check out the swimming pool area. This is on the almost terrace, not exactly terrace, so this is the swimming pool area. The weather was luckily pleasant, not too sunny. We just chilled here for some time, took some pictures, and this was the Pongal decor that was set up inside the hotel. So we traveled on January 13th and this was January 14th, exactly on Pongal day.
We have all checked out and we are heading to our next destination,
Tata bye-bye to Madurai.
which is actually the main, the destination. So Madurai was just a halt because of the long drive. And so yeah, let's go. This is day 2 of our vacation. Let's see where we are off to. So come with us, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment below what you would like to see.